Hello guys, welcome to our channel. On today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can change a profile picture on your TikTok account or a display picture on your TikTok account. So yeah, TikTok is quite entertaining as you can enjoy a lots of free videos even if you don't have an account. Alright, so let's get started. First open your TikTok, then on the top right here's the me option, right? Just tap on that, then go through the edit profile on the center. Alright, so as you can see on the top, you do have two different options. The first one is you can change your profile picture, and with the second option, you'd be able to change, you'd be able to pick a profile video as well. So that's a quite new feature on TikTok, I guess. So right now we're trying to change our profile picture, right? Just tap on that, and I will pick the option select from gallery. Alright, so this is the picture I would like to make. Alright, I'll just tap on the confirm. Alright, so the position, I'll just use that position and I'll tap done. Alright, so let's get wet, and now my DP is changed. So that's how you can change. So just go over here, select from the gallery. Suppose if you selected this one, yeah. Alright, so then confirm, then put this on center and then tap on done. So that's how you can change the DP on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching.